If you're planning a trip and want to book flights, hotels, or complete travel packages in one place, Expedia is a popular platform that makes the process simple. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Expedia step by step, even if you've never used it before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to search for travel options, compare prices, and book everything you need for your trip and efficiently. First, open your web browser and go to the Expedia website, or open the Expedia mobile app on your phone. On the home page, you'll see different options like flights, hotels, car rentals, and vacation packages. Start by selecting what you want to book. For example, if you want to book a flight, click on the Flights option. Next, enter your travel details. For flights, type your departure city and destination, then select your travel dates and the number of passengers. Once you've filled in the details, click the search button. Expedia will now show you a list of available options along with prices, airlines, and travel times. You can use filters to narrow down your results. For example, you can filter by price range, airline, number of stops, or departure time. This helps you quickly find options that match your budget and schedule. If you're booking a hotel, you can filter by star rating, guest reviews, amenities, and location. When you find an option you like, click on it to view more details. Review the information carefully, including pricing, cancellation policies, and any additional fees. If everything looks good, click the Book button to proceed. On the booking page, enter your personal details such as name, email, and contact information. After that, you may have the option to add extras like seat selection, travel insurance, or additional baggage depending on what you're booking. Then proceed to the payment page, enter your payment details, and confirm your booking. Once your booking is complete, Expedia will send you a confirmation email with all your travel details. You can also manage your bookings directly through your Expedia account. In this tutorial, we learn how to use Expedia to search for flights, hotels, and other travel services, compare different options, apply filters, and complete a booking step by step. Expedia makes it easy to plan your entire trip in one place. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.